Hello, I'm Tony, and this is Wayne with Genuine Comfort, and we are here to talk about how much does air conditioners cost. So really, depending on what market it is and where you live, actually depicts a lot on how much they do cost. But in our market here, for just a standard basic air conditioner, and now again, it depends on your home, depends on the size and the ducting and all that, but they typically start around $3,800 to replace an air conditioner. That means if you already have existing air conditioner, existing coil that sits on that furnace, you're going to start about 3,800 and work way up from there. So anyway, Wayne, what are your thoughts on going to a higher stage air conditioner and how much do they cost?
So you'll hear these numbers, a 16 sear. What does that mean? It just means it's higher efficient than a smaller one, than a normal 13 sear. So it's going to cost you a few $100s more to go up there, but the beauty of that is it's going to turn off quicker and be better for your utilities. It's going to be lower utility bills for you because it's going to cool off your house quicker. So a few $100s, probably starting around $4,500 and up from there.
Right, and one of the questions that I get asked is what's the difference between sear and tonnage? And I'll just answer that real quick. SEAR is just miles per gallon on the power bill. The more SEAR you buy up front, the less you spend monthly. The ton is actually the size that we need to find out when we come out and look at your home and that determines what size you need to cool your home. So again, SEAR is energy efficiency, ton is the size we need to cool. So now let's go into how much does a two-stage cost? When you look in to going high efficient, you're going to hear the term in air conditioning, kind of like you do in furnaces, you two-stage and variable speed. So two-stage, what they cost on average to start to replace is about $5,600, and they can go up from there, just depending on your wants and needs and how long you're going to be in the home. Now I'll turn it over to Wayne here to talk about variable speed on air conditioning. Are they relevant? And what the benefits are of that and how much they are.
So I have a variable speed in my home. The reason why I chose to go that way is I wanted to save a lot on our utilities. And so what it does, instead of starting at 100%, you ever seen a teenager drive when they first get their license? It's gas, brake, gas, brake. Well, the variable speed starts at 25% and then slowly works up until your thermostat it meets whatever you have it set for. So if you're just going up a little bit, it saves you a lot of money. It doesn't have to go all the way up to 100% right off the bat. So those start around 6,000 and up for a variable speed. And again, I love them, especially because they're so quiet.
Right, they are. Well, I hope this helps. And again, this is on how much does air conditioning cost. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.
Yeah.